Hi guys, welcome to Step Up Lives. This is the second video in the process of how to apply for TCS. In the first video we talked about the TCS Ninja hiring process, how to apply, and the second video we will talk about eligibility and syllabus of the test. If you haven't seen the first video, which has the first two questions answered, check the link in the description, as well as at the end screen you will find it how to apply. In this video we'll only talk about what is the eligibility criteria and what is the type of test that is going to happen for the TCS Ninja hiring process. If you're new to the channel, subscribe with the bell icon. If you're old, then definitely push that like button as well as comment your thoughts. Let's quickly get on to the process of eligibility as well as the syllabus of the test. We come down to the TCS Ninja hiring page, where you will find this information when you scroll down from the application process to somewhere below. Here I will just open up the eligibility process of 2022 pass outs. Minimum percentage of aggregate of all semesters should be 60% or 6 GPA as mentioned on that option. 10th, 12th diploma if applicable, graduation and post graduation. Backlogs and ATKTs should not be more than one active backlog at the time of appearing of the TCS selection process in the highest qualification. If students should not have any pending backlogs at the time of joining of TCS. So important information for you. Gap and break in education. It is mandatory to declare the gaps. तो अगर आपको कोई भी gap है तो definitely inform करिएगा. Break in education should not be due to extended education or examination cleared after the stipulated process. Any break in education should not be more than 24 months and will be permissible only with specific valid reasons. Relevant documents will be checked for the gap of education. Very important. Only full-time courses will be considered. Part-time or correspondent courses will not be considered. Students who have completed senior secondary National Institute of Open Schooling are also eligible. Any pending backlogs should be cleared with stipulated duration. People who have worked with prior experience up to 2 years are eligible. So if you are not a fresher, it's okay. If you are not a pass out 2022, you can still apply. एज ग्रुप जो है वो 18 से 28 है, तो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. Undergraduate, PG, engineering courses from BE, BTech, MTech, any specialization offered by the university and college are eligible to apply. So it's a good news that people who are from various fields can apply for TCS Ninja hiring process. 15th of August is actually the date when it is the last date to apply this year. So we have also put that in our application video. That's in the description. You can check it out. Let's quickly get on to the test pattern. The test pattern in this case is divided into maybe two parts, part A, part B, where numerical ability, verbal ability and reasonable ability with 120 minutes of first section. Programming logic and hands-on coding will form the second section, which is of 180 minutes. So test provider is actually TCS Ion NQT, which is the test provider for the TCS Ninja hiring process. So don't get confused about the NQT and Ninja hiring. It is the test provider. So very important, check that out. Let's quickly get on to the most frequently asked questions and clarify some of the doubts in this video itself, so that people are very clear who want to apply for this hiring process. Let's quickly get on to it. First and foremost, let's have a look whether NQT and TCS Ninja are different. We just indicated to you that it is the complete process of TCS Next Step application, जिसके ऊपर हमने वीडियो बनाया, डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. टेस्ट डेट्स 30th of August. एग्जैक्ट डेट्स विल बी कम्युनिकेटेड टू इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज ये रिमोट और फिजिकली होगा. ईयर ऑफ पासिंग मीन्स 2022 and people who are already graduates also with 2 years experience are allowed. You should create your category and profile under IT TCS Ninja hiring के लिए. Last date 15th August. Apply for it. If my account is blocked or locked, how can I unlock it? Log on to it, unlock and reset your password. You will get a password in 15 minutes. Do not click the link repeatedly. You will be considered as a spam. Is it apply for drive mandatory? Yes, you will have to do an apply for drive at the end of the TCS Ninja hiring application process there. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to go ahead. I am unable to view the apply for drive page. It is only enabled for 2022 technical graduates. If you are not falling into that category, you will not be getting that apply to drive button. I have applied for the drive. I have not got a confirmation email. Post applying the drive, you can click your track your application. So that's one way you can do it. My college has a CGPA system. However, in my application form, there is only an option to update my marks. What should I do? Convert your CGPA into percentage and complete the application form. What if you have a CT or DT reference? Do I need to register again? No, you do not have to register again. Please ensure to complete your application form and put the apply for drive. If I've forgotten it, send an email to recruitmententrylevel@tcs.com. Can I change my profile if I've made some mistakes in it? Limited changes are allowed. Can I change my photo on the application? You can change the application photo before do it. I have created profile under BPS. What should I have done? You have to actually send an email to ilpsupport@tcs.com and they will get it deleted. If you already have some information, you can edit application and do it. I'm not able to edit the full-time part-time application thing, then you have to email to ilp@support. I've created 2 profiles. 1 profile per student is recommended. Will interviews also be conducted on the day of the test? No, they will be communicated later on. How will I know if my test is scheduled? This will be communicated to you via TCS Ion. Very important, only emails from TCS Ion are to be entertained, no third party. As a part of the hiring process, only the shortlisted students will receive the test result. So if you haven't received a result, then please try again, right? Do I have to incur any cost? Does not charge any money at any recruitment stage. So be careful of any scamsters. What documents I have to prepare? 10th, 12th diploma, PG mark sheets, everything has to be ready. So it's important that if you have any doubts, you can actually contact them on their helpline, or also reach out to them over the email. If you're new to the channel, then subscribe with the bell icon if you found it helpful. Please do apply for this TCS Ninja app hiring process very soon. It's 15th of August is the last date for it. Try to get more and more experience from it and you will succeed. Thank you so much and bye bye.